So, what do you do for a living, Meg?
I model.
Model what?
Clothes, shoes.
I'm a model.
Right.
I am.
I thought so.
I'm a male model.
Really?
I am.
What'd you model for?
Eh?
What'd you model for?
Extra large t-shirts.
Oh. Got a problem.
What?
Do you know, because I'm tall,
Yes.
if this is down, I can't see.
So you just move it to that position there?
I can. Well.
Okay, so... What was that?
This is scary.
Excuse me, Buzz.
You know, if I'm on the drive,
Yes?
I do something, like I go around and I go...
I don't think so.
They don't give a shit.
Okay.
They don't care, okay? All they care about, are you a safe driver? Yeah. Are you safe and legal? They don't care about anything else. I'll enter the road and turn right for me, please. Right, you failed the test. Why?
I don't know.
Let me take over. Hands and feet off everything.
Turn the road.
Yes. Hands and feet off everything. Right then. What side of the road should you be on? Go on then, hold that. Get over there for me. We're going right. There we go. Freak. Something wrong with you.
What's happening? Tell me you don't click any of your bells.
No,
Nothing.
no,
Ever.
no. Follow the signs for Bangor, please. So if you look at the big sign there on the left and the arrows on the floor,
Second exit.
that's right, Bangor, the second exit.
So stay in this lane.
Look at the arrows on the floor. If you're going straight ahead, which lane do you want? Look at the arrows on the floor. If you're going straight ahead, which lane do you need? That's it. Look at the arrows on the... See the paint?
That one goes to them.
That's right. It's a very 80s hairstyle with the crimping things. Yeah, kind of cool.
Should have done why you
Yeah,
did it for a live stream.
did it for a live stream.
Do you think that should work? Yeah.
Let's have a look. How far is he away from the curb? Number one, you're not going right at the roundabout.
Oh, shit.
And go. Why were you putting your foot down when the lights were still on red? 1, 2, 3, yeah? Can you count to 3?
I think so.
If you can count to 3, you can remember your mirrors, okay? Which is number 1?
1.
That's it. Where they behaved themselves and looked to the right at roundabouts. Oops. So we're going straight ahead of the roundabout, second exit. No, we're not going left. We're going straight ahead, second exit. Leave fucking indicator alone. There we go. Anybody over there? Then halfway round, once we're past there, now you can tell them we're coming off. That's it, well done. Well done, Mick, Diane. Cool. We'll get you there. Somehow. Freak. Well, we'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Well done. Follow the arrows on the floor. That's it, I didn't say anything. Right then.
steering wheel confuses me sometimes.
Yeah? Nope, nope. And left, left. That's it. So just indicate left then for you, okay? I didn't have enough time to guide you to the correct indicator. It doesn't mean you've done something wrong, okay? They have to record everything. Yeah?
Which one?
Right, now we've got to go straight ahead and take the line along. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Prosecco. Ease off a little bit. The reason I did that, okay? How are you feeling about your driving test?
Truth?
Yes.
Shit. Like purely petrified.
Okay. Now that's a natural reaction, okay? You will not get away with going around very, very slowly, okay? If it says stop, it means
Stop.
from the chemist.
That made me choke on my chewing gum.
Choke on my chewing gum. Chewing it. Yes, I'll say no more.
Oh my god! Nothing me mad.
Like, what's the weirdest face you can pull? What the fucking hell is that? Ew! That's disgusting. Hell.
See ya.
Get the fuck out of my car.
Hey, that was a good face.
It was actually. That's a bye. What position should you be in? Inside lane, yeah? So we're going there. Once you're around the corner, you need the right. Stop, stop. Sometimes they can change quickly, yeah? Keep an eye on them.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, then turn left.
Gosh, it's dead
Because
inside.
this there was terrible, okay? Probably failed your test now. Did you see that little grey car? Hey? On the inside lane? Whoopsie. Fucking wheel spin. That's a left mirror, left indicator. What's a wheel spin on your driving test?
Fail?
It's a fail, yeah. You've
Is it
lost
'cause I-
control of the vehicle.
Is it because I put my foot down too far?
Yeah. So, when safe to do so, can you show me how you switch on the rear demister, please? Thank you.
Better.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, which one?
Bye. Anyone? That one.